Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for expert reviews on the latest and greatest in beauty and grooming products. Today, we're diving into the Novah Professional Barber Clippers and Trimmer Set, a kit designed for barbers and enthusiasts alike. This set promises precision, versatility, and durability, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Novah Professional Barber Clippers set comes with everything you need to achieve high-quality haircuts and trims. It includes 6 premium guards, a variable gauge adjustable head, 4 trimmer guards, and sharp blades, making it a highly customizable kit. With the addition of the Novah foil shaver, designed for smooth finishes, this set is built for advanced fading and blending, with a click taper lever and a turbo 2-speed mode for precise control. The clippers feature an all-metal unibody construction, ensuring a sleek, durable, and comfortable grip, while the LED display keeps you informed about power levels and speed settings. A built-in lithium battery ensures long-lasting use, offering the flexibility of wireless operation. Now let's talk real-world experience. Using the Novah clippers was smooth, literally and figuratively. Whether I was trimming facial hair or going for a clean fade, these clippers performed consistently well. The sharpness of the blades made for a smooth cut, and the adjustable speed settings allowed me to tailor the performance to my needs. For precision work, like around the ears or hairline, the foil shaver was a standout, leaving a professional quality finish. However, while the clippers themselves are lightweight, I did find the full set a bit bulky for extended use. The ergonomic design certainly helps, but after long sessions, some strain did start to show. Pros? The power is undeniable. The 2-speed turbo option gives you plenty of control, especially when blending or creating fades. The LED display is a nice touch, giving real-time info on power and speed. The build quality is top-notch. The all-metal body feels premium and durable, and the wireless feature makes the clippers incredibly convenient. And of course, the variety of guards and the foil shaver makes this set a versatile choice for any grooming task. On the flip side, there are a couple of drawbacks. The weight of the set can be a bit much for those used to lighter tools, especially during extended use. Additionally, while the rechargeable battery lasts well, it does take a while to fully charge, so make sure to plan your grooming sessions accordingly. Also, the lack of a more detailed instruction manual could leave beginners in the dark about fully maximizing the clipper's features. When comparing this to other clippers in the market, the Novah set stands out for its versatility and professional-grade features. While some alternatives might offer a lower price, you often sacrifice power and customization. This set is in the premium range, but its performance, combined with the advanced features, justifies the price. As for value for money, this product certainly offers good value, but it's not a budget pick. If you're serious about your grooming, whether professionally or personally, the quality and performance are well worth the investment. The build quality, the sharpness of the blades, and the functionality make it a top contender in the barber clipper market. Wrapping things up, the Novah Professional Barber Clippers and Trimmer Set is an impressive grooming tool. Its sharp blades, variable speed settings, and high-quality design make it a great choice for anyone looking to elevate their grooming routine. While there are minor drawbacks, such as weight and charging time, the overall performance and durability more than make up for them. This is a kit that's perfect for barbers or anyone who takes their grooming seriously. Is this review helpful to you? If so, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other grooming enthusiasts can also find this video. Thank you for watching here at Beautyistic. Don't forget to check the comments box for the link to purchase. If you've used these clippers or have any questions, drop them below. Until next time, keep your look sharp and your skills sharper with Beautyistic.